Welcome to the heart of the United Kingdom, a city where history and modernity seamlessly coexist, a place of countless stories and timeless charm. Today, we're exploring the vibrant and diverse city of London. London is not just a city. It's a collection of neighborhoods, each with its unique character and charm. From the historic streets of Westminster to the trendy vibes of Shoreditch, there's something for everyone. London had a population of over 8.9 million people in 2021, making it the most populous city in the UK. London is known for its cultural diversity. It is a melting pot of different ethnicities, with a wide range of nationalities represented among its residents. London is divided into 32 different boroughs, each with its own local government. The population of these boroughs can vary significantly, with some having several 100,000 residents and others having over 1 million. Income disparities. Despite its affluence and economic opportunities, London also has significant income disparities. London is served by several major airports, each of which plays a crucial role in connecting the city to the world. Heathrow is one of the busiest airports in the world and serves as a major gateway to London. Located to the west of London, it offers excellent transportation links to the city centre, including the Heathrow Express train, London Underground, and various bus services. The airport features a wide range of shopping, dining, and duty-free options. If you have a long layover, consider visiting nearby attractions like Windsor Castle or Kew Gardens. Another airport, Gatwick, is located to the south of London and is the second busiest airport in the city. It's well connected to central London by the Gatwick Express train, national rail services, and bus links. The airport has 2 terminals, north and south, each offering a selection of shops, restaurants, and facilities. Gatwick is an excellent starting point for exploring southern England, including Brighton and the South Downs National Park. Stansted is situated to the northeast of London and primarily serves low-cost carriers. The Stansted Express train offers a direct connection to Liverpool Street Station in central London. The airport has various shopping and dining options, as well as car rental services. Consider visiting nearby attractions like Cambridge if you have time. Now, let's talk about getting around this sprawling city. London boasts an efficient and extensive transportation system. The iconic London double-decker buses are not only a great way to explore the city, but also a quintessential part of the London experience. The London Underground, known as the Tube, is the fastest way to travel between neighborhoods, with a network that covers most of the city. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not rent a bike? London offers an excellent cycling infrastructure, and it's a great way to see the city at your own pace. For a unique perspective, hop on a water taxi on the River Thames. You'll get to see London's landmarks from a different angle. Of course, we can't forget London's iconic black cabs. They offer a convenient and comfortable way to get around, and the drivers know the city like the back of their hand. About accommodation. London offers a wide range of hotels, from luxury to budget, each with its unique character and amenities. For a touch of luxury, you might want to consider boutique hotels like the Royal Pavilion. They offer personalized service and exquisite design, making your stay truly special. Let's begin our journey with some of the city's most iconic landmarks. First, Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch, an architectural masterpiece, and the setting for many royal ceremonies and events. The British Museum, a treasure trove of human history and culture, home to artifacts from around the world, including the Rosetta Stone and the Egyptian mummies. The Tower of London, a fortress, a palace, and a place of history. It's where the crown jewels are kept, and has witnessed many dramatic events in British history. For a different perspective, the London Eye offers breathtaking views of the city with its rotating observation wheel. London is a dynamic metropolis, a melting pot of cultures where the past meets the present. Its vibrant streets are lined with diverse communities and an array of dining and shopping experiences. The city's food scene is a gastronomic journey, from traditional British fish and chips to global cuisine and vibrant street food markets. Cultural enthusiasts can revel in London's world-class museums like the Tate Modern, the Victoria and Albert Museum, and the Natural History Museum. And of course, the West End theaters, where you can catch a world-class show or a timeless classic. The River Thames winds through the city, offering picturesque vistas of landmarks like the Houses of Parliament and the historic bridges that connect the city's banks. As the sun sets, London comes alive with its vibrant nightlife. Soho, in the heart of the city, is famous for its bars, clubs, and live music. For a peaceful escape, head to Primrose Hill. So, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, an art lover, or simply seeking adventure, London welcomes all. It's a city of stories waiting to be discovered. So, pack your bags and let's explore this incredible city together. Thanks for joining us on this London journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite London experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.